Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a welcome nameplate. To make this frame like the welcome board, I have used an old frame, Fevicryl molded, acrylic paints and brushes, and a Google image printout of a man and a woman welcoming people. White paper or any color paper or quilling papers are also, like quilling strips are also okay, fine. And then Fevicol, scissors, blade, knife, like our common stationery, talcum powder. All these things I have used to make this frame. With these I have also used ceramic powder. As this frame was really old, I used ceramic for a base. So in the ceramic powder I mixed water and Fevicol and applied it everywhere on this old frame and put it aside for 24 hours. When it was completely dry, I started working on it. Firstly, I painted the entire frame, and once the paint was completed, once the painting of the board was completed, I started painting the printout of the man and the woman. Once the painting was completed of the man and the woman, I used old cartons of you can either use cardboard or any e-commerce boxes of Amazon or Flipkart, because the painted man and woman, I have cut those figures and then pasted these figures on those carton or the cardboard, which you can see in this video. And after pasting it, I cut the figures and I also covered the outside border of these figures with white paper. But by cutting the white paper into stripes, you can also use color paper, cut it into stripes and then also paste it on the outside of these figures. For more easier way, rather than cutting, you can simply use quilling stripes, because that will be of the correct measurement, and you can paste it at the outside of these figures. Once this was completed, I then started making, I mixed the Fevicryl molded and made strings out of it so that I could write welcome on the board. And once this was completed, I pasted the figures on the painted board, the old frame. Before doing that, I also covered it with transparent tape to give it a shiny glossy look, the figures, and then I pasted it on the painted old frame. Once that was pasted, I started lettering on the board, which is for the welcome. And once the lettering was completed, I put it aside, and once the lettering was dry, I started painting even that, the welcome. And I had few old foam flowers with me, glittery foam flowers with me. So I pasted it for there was actually this space which was empty on the board, so it was not looking that good to me. So I just filled it with these glittery foam sheet stickers, as you can see in this video. Once the complete frame was ready, I also used the Fevicryl molded for the borders of this frame, and I also painted that. And once this frame was completely ready, I then varnished this frame and put it aside again for 24 hours. And now the frame is completely ready with varnish as well. To avoid any dust on the frame, because if there is a dust on the frame, it gets spoiled. So I also covered it later with transparent sheet, which we use in schools to cover the notebooks. So I used that transparent sheet to cover this frame, and that's it. My frame is ready. you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.